about the grammar of Gimi. The grammar of Gimi is mean looking, and something looking, or like, or look, or tending to, or something. So it had a quite similar meaning, but when you translate to be English, you just take the main meaning, such as looking, or like, or tending to, or something. So how to use the grammar of Gimi? In Japanese, they will use the verb and noun with the grammar of Gimi. But when you use the verb, you should change the verb to be the mass form and cut out the mass out of the sense of the verb and end by Gimi. And for the noun, you just use nothing change. You can use in that form. But in Gimi, you can write in kanji and hiragana, you see here. So it just has the same meaning. So don't confuse if you found that they write in kanji or hiragana, it just has the same meaning. So the next, you are going to see some sample of how to use the grammar of Gimi. The first sample. 彼は人の名前を忘れ気味である。彼は人の名前を忘れ気味である。Which means he is apt to forget people's names. She is apt to forget people's names. In this sentence, you will see that wasuremasu, right? So we use with the Gimi, so we cut out the mass form, the mass out of the verb. So we just left only wasure and by Gimi. Wasure Gimi dearu, which means forget. The next, 昨夜彼は風邪気味だった。昨夜彼は風邪気味だった。He had a bit of a cold last night. He had a bit of a cold last night. You see that the second sentence we used with the noun, right? Because kaze is the noun. So when we use the noun with Gimi, we just use in that form, nothing changed. Kaze Gimi is mean cold, a bit of a cold. The next example, 風邪気味で熱っぽいだ。風邪気味で熱っぽいだ。Which means I feel like I'm catching a cold and I'm a bit feverish. I feel like I'm catching a cold and I'm a bit feverish. 残業続きで疲れ気味だ。残業続きで疲れ気味だ。I'm feeling a bit tired due to continue overtime work. I'm feeling a bit tired due to continue overtime work. In this sentence, you see that we use the verb of 疲れます。Tsukaremasu, when we use the verb tsukaremasu with the Gimi, so we cut the mas out, so just left only tsukare Gimi, tsukare and plus Gimi, so tsukare Gimi. Tsukare is mean tired, right? So plus Gimi, so it means a bit